Hello, my name is David Amos Brown, and I have a hypothetical question for you. What do you think would have happened over the course of human history if, say, back in the Middle Ages there had existed a wizard that looked at the plight of mankind and said, it's a crime that only the rich and privileged can read and write. Mankind could do so much better. So he conjured up his mightiest spell, snapped his fingers, and overnight, everyone over the age of 10 could read and write fluently. What do you think would have happened over the next 1,000 years? I personally think that the Renaissance would have been an atomic explosion instead of a movement. Things like cancer, arthritis, and diabetes would have long since gone the way of the dodo, and we'd be out traveling the galaxy, no longer threatened by a used-up planet Earth. Let's fast forward to 2015. Planet Earth is literally run by computers and software. And just like back then, a minuscule portion of the human race can actually make a software application. And as powerful and as useful as software can be, it is a crime that so few have that power. And no, I'm not a wizard, but... Welcome to EOS. Now, every one of you has the means to create professional level software with what you already know. EOS stands for AVCAP Operating System, and AVCAP stands for Autonomous Value-Centric Architectural Programming. A mouthful, I know, but it looks great on the patent. But really, EOS more accurately stands for Algebraic Operating System, which you will understand soon enough. You see, the computer is not smart at all. It is merely a record and playback device. But what it records and plays back is the most powerful thing that we know of in this universe, the human mind and how it solves problems. How can we go into the future with a relatively few knowledgeable people making all of the powerful tools for the rest of us that don't know? The answer? Chaotically and inefficiently at best. But you and I are going to change all that. We are going to a place where ideas are spawned, minutes are invested, and hours are saved in real time. Where our computer solutions grow and evolve with us as our understanding of the problem grows, or as the problem changes over time. Where we no longer have to modify our behavior to use other people's solutions to our problems. And that journey begins with a simple understanding that all software is human to its very core. Imagine a world where teachers can make custom applications to help them create, manage, and grade course material. Where students can make custom applications for every course they take to help them acquire, organize, and quiz them on that material in new and inventive ways. Where custom financial applications are possible to help us measure, plan, and analyze our financial health. Where we can offload tedious computer tasks regardless of how many mouse clicks, key presses, or software applications it takes to get the job done. A world where making programs in minutes and destroying them when we're done is common practice. And for business, EOS was made with business in mind because business has the greatest need where information is concerned. EOS is a secure environment made for multiple users on multiple machines, working on common custom processes regardless of where they are on planet Earth, using retail and custom applications to get their work done, and sharing data and services if needed. With EOS, businesses can build a software infrastructure that is custom suited to their needs and migrate their business processes over to it at whatever pace they deem appropriate. Every part of a business, right down to each and every employee, can define its own interface to the software infrastructure that is evolving over time because it's readily changeable. Is EOS fast and useful? You judge. This is a 7-minute custom calculator ready for use. Here we have a 10-minute eBay bidding program. Down here is a 12-minute bank login and records retrieval program. We made a business point of sale application in 40 minutes on YouTube. The possibilities are simply infinite when you have the fundamental capability of programming at your fingertips and don't have to concern yourself with computer-related things. Managing all the computer technology that enables your solutions is EOS's job, allowing you to focus only on the business at hand. That's something I don't have in traditional coding. I created AOS to open up the world of programmatic information to assist all of you in whatever you need informationally. The things that we're going to be able to do in AOS will simply boggle the mind. So join me in the next video and I'll show you how all this is possible. Oh, by the way, this entire presentation was an AOS program. And so, I will leave you with this. If businesses adopt AOS as the means of creating their own management software, and that software immensely improves the quality and efficiency of what they do, then someday AOS will dominate the software world simply because AOS allows people to implement their own minds and abilities and not someone else's. Let's go change the world. God bless.